Hi folks, my name is Vasudha and I'm the Director of Product here for Stack Overflow and lead the team's product. Today I want to show you what we've been up to in the first few months of 2021. Now, before I did that, I thought it might be helpful to give you a quick preview into what our mission is. When we think about our roadmap and the future of our team's product, there are a few things that we have to keep in mind. Teams helps you and your team collaborate, share, manage, and discover up-to-date relevant knowledge whenever, wherever, thus enabling you and your teams to do great things. Asynchronous work is vital in this new way of working, and ensuring that teams have access to what they need is critical, but equally critical is having it accessible when they need it. We make work streams smarter. We know that new tools can mean more disruptions to your day. So one of the key missions is to minimize that burden and enable asynchronous collaboration by way of features and integrations that we build and enhance through customer feedback. Now let's jump into some of the key updates from the first part of this year that also highlights our mission. Slack v3, a major upgrade of our existing Slack integration. With this upgrade, we are staying true to our mission of making work streams smarter and enabling users to discover and create content without disrupting their workflow. If you use our Slack integration already today, you know that it's an effective way to grab knowledge in the moment when conversations are happening in real time. Our update to the integration takes it a step further by allowing you to not only search for information in your team within Slack, but also enables you to ask a question on Stack Overflow for Teams from right inside of Slack. Users can compose their entire question with tags and content, as well as notify subject matter experts, all from within the same modal presented inside of Slack. This means no more switching work streams or opening another browser to get the information that you need. If you're on an older version of the integration, we encourage you to upgrade today and take full advantage of the new features. The process is super simple and can be initiated from within your admin settings for integrations. Unified search. You asked, we listened. From the time we launched our enterprise version of Stack Overflow for Teams, we've had customers ask for the ability to search public Stack Overflow within their enterprise instance, but in a way that no private content is ever accidentally shared externally. We took our time to get this feature right and ensure all InfoSec needs were being complied with. We're excited to announce that this new feature is now available. When enabled, Unified Search allows your team to access the knowledge of over 10 million monthly users of our public site by searching a read-only version of the results. This gives enterprise users the peace of mind that no private content will be shared externally, while also benefiting from the knowledge of the public community. It's super easy to get this going. Within your admin settings, you'll see the ability to enable Unified Search. By default, this setting is turned off. Once turned on, when users type within the search bar, they will seamlessly search content within the private instance as well as content on public Stack Overflow. Private enterprise instance search results will be shown first, followed by results from the public site. When choosing a public Stack Overflow post, the result will be read-only, and the user will not be able to interact with it from within their enterprise instance. With this ability to search both private and public information, what used to be 2 browser windows is now available all in one. Users will save time, benefit from a better knowledge finding experience, and overall be more efficient in completing tasks and resolving problems. Articles enhancements. If you're on the business or enterprise plan of Stack Overflow for Teams, you have access to articles, our longer form content that launched in Q3 last year. You can house project documentation, onboarding guides, retrospectives, announcements, all right alongside your Q&A content. We are happy to announce that we have some new functionality for articles live. First of which is drafts. We heard the feedback that people wanted to work on an article over time and wanted a way to go back and keep editing it before publishing. Now you can begin creating an article and it will be auto-saved every few seconds. You can then leave the article and come back at another time to finish up your work. This behavior is very similar to the functionality we have today for in-progress questions and answers. In addition to drafts, articles will now also show up on tag pages similar to Q&A and will be part of the tag watching and search results experience alongside questions and answers. You will also be able to filter your articles listing by creator, recently edited, and so many more filters. Finally, I saved the best for the last. We've got reputation points working for articles. Just like with Q&A, team members will gain reputation points for articles they create when the content is upvoted. With this update, all past article creators will see reputation points awarded to them retroactively. Ka-ching! All of these enhancements are designed to help you remove yet another location for long-form content and keeping valuable knowledge together where your team can access and add to over time, while also keeping it up to date. When it comes to the roadmap, a key thing you'll find is we are working on multiple product pillars in parallel to ensure we stay true to our mission of keeping content relevant while also minimizing distractions. That means building ways to take the content to the user, be it on platform or via our integrations. It means helping you create content beyond questions and answers and providing you the tools to manage it to keep it fresh and relevant. We've got lots more on our list to do this year that I'm excited to share with you next quarter. If you are not already a Teams customer and want to learn more about Stack Overflow for Teams, head on over to stackoverflow.com/teams. Thanks for joining me today, folks. Until next time.